So, hi. So this is P2 coordinate geometry part. This thing, I think chapter 2, if I'm not wrong. I will do M1. I will keep on doing. Are you not joining class? Join the class fast, na? Okay, तुम्हें की P2 की दिए तो सब. Okay, so এদিকে দেখো তোমরা সবাই. এখানে 3 -3, 2, 8, 4 and 9, 10. Show A is 13, na? Okay, fine then. Look now. Did they say they both are right angle triangle or something like that? Did they say something like that? Okay, let's see. Okay. Lies on the circle as shown, given that PR is the diameter. Achha, you guys know from your PR is the diameter, na? You guys know from your this thing is that this is 90 degree. If in O level circles you guys studied, na? Huh? All of you know that this is 90 degree, right? All of you know that, right? This is 90 degree. Okay, so this is what Shirin, this is what you're supposed to do. You need to find the gradient of this. You need to find the gradient of this as well. Once you multiply both of their gradient, answer should be -1. There is your answer right there. Now let me show you how it is done. Let me find gradient M1. Okay, so gradient M1 is going to be 10 minus 2. Okay, divide by 9 plus 3. So that is going to be 8 divided by 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 8 by 12. 8 by 12. So that's around how much SD? 2 by 3. Yeah. So this is going to be 2 by 3. Okay, done. Now gradient of M1. Now let's go with the gradient of this thing M2. We got this and we got this as well. Yeah. Let's go to the gradient of M2. M2 is going to be 4 minus 10 divided by A minus 9. Okay, so 4 minus 10 is what? 4 minus 10 is -6. -6, A minus 9, right? That's your gradient. If you multiply 2 by 3 with -6 A by A minus 9, your answer has to be -1. You guys can get the A grade right, A part easily. What's up? All of you?
Yes.
Yes.
So just try it and give me the A value, Shirin. Since it was your doubt, you will give me the answer for A part and we'll compare the mark scheme. Okay, I'm pausing the video. Okay, now, so yeah, you guys could get after doing this A as 13. Fine. Find the equation of C now. To find the equation of C, you need the center. Yeah, because center is required. Equation of C. So now look over here. Check over here. This is C. Center ta tumra kibabe korbe? A to 13 you guys know na. So we're going to do -3 plus 13 divided by 2, comma 2 plus 4 divided by 2. So that is 10 divided by 2 is 5, 5 comma 3. 5 comma 3. Okay, এটা সবাই কি বুঝছো তোমরা?
Yes.
So you got this center. Okay, once you got this center, you guys are supposed to find the radius also. Yeah, you can find the radius very easily because you know this coordinate 5 comma 3. You know the coordinate 30 comma 4 or -3 comma 2, whatever. Find the distance with the help of distance formula. You got your radius. Once you got your radius, you can find the equation of the circle very easily. Everybody got that? B part? Shirin?
Yes.
Okay, done. So, okay, finish it and let me know what is the radius and give me an equation of the circle. Let me pause the recording for you. Okay, then. So you guys were able to do this, find the equation of C by finding the radius and center to we already know. Fine. Okay, now Bibiasha said that she has doubt in question number 1. Do you have doubt in question number 1 full, Bibiasha?
No, only the C part.
Only C part. Fine. Now the point P 5 comma -3 lies on a circle. Okay, find the equation of the tangent to C at point P. Okay, now tell me one thing. What is the center you got? What is the center you got? Center
3 by 2 comma -3.
3 by 2 comma -3. Yeah?
Yes.
Fine then. 3/2 comma minus 3. Now, and what was your radius? What was your radius?
7/2.
7/2. Now check over here. Let's go with this thing over here. আমার সার্কেল এখানে, তোমার এখানে এটা হচ্ছে তোমার সেন্টার, ওকে? 15 minutes. Okay, this is 3/2. This is 1.5 comma minus 3. Fine, and you have a radius of 7/2. So this is your radius. Tangent to C at point P. What's your point P? 5 comma minus 3. So it's going to be 5 comma minus 3. 5 comma minus 3 as well. And they want equation. Okay, let's find gradient of this. Okay, so the gradient is this going to be minus 3 minus 3 minus of minus 3 y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now x2 is 5 minus 1.5. So it's coming 0, right? All of you got this part? It's coming 0. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so if the gradient is 0, এটারও gradient 0 ই হবে. So y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1 যদি করি, mx minus x1 যদি করি আমি, m is 0, right? তো এটা ওভারঅল 0 হয়ে যাবে. y minus y1 এর মধ্যে y plus 3. I think y is equal to minus 3 should be your answer. Okay, so let's continue. Question number 1, right? Let's see y is equal to minus 3 pi. So question number 1 এ যাই আমরা. 3, 2, 1. তোমরা কি gradient 0 দেখে ভয় পেয়ে গেছো না এটা? Method 2. Is it question number 1? Yeah, C part. So equation is x equals to 5. Okay, let me just have a good go through it. Deduce the gradient of infinite from the diagram from perpendicular to 0 gradient. So the equation is x5. Okay. Okay, implicit differentiation. No, we are not doing implicit differentiation here. Let me try that over here. Okay, so the gradient is upareta 0, nicheta x chilo na. Change in this thing. Okay, let me just pause the video. Let me think about it. So the previous thing which we did was wrong actually, because vertically kono delta change hochilo na. So this is what I came up with of solution, is that your equation will look like y minus y1 m এর জায়গায় আমি delta y by delta x লিখবো, ঠিক আছে? And x minus x1 লিখবো, ঠিক আছে? Now your delta y is not changing, you can see that. So can I do y minus y1 into delta x divide by 0, because delta y এর জায়গায় আমি 0 দিয়ে দিব. So x এখানে চলে আসবে, delta y এখানে চলে আসবে, is equal to x minus x1. Okay, so overall answer ki 0. 0 is equal to x minus x1, right? So therefore 0 is equal to x minus 5. Kano? X1 is 5. We know x1 is 5. X equals to 5 is your equation. Butso? Shoy butse?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, এখন next doubt কার আছে বলো আমাকে, next doubt কার আছে বলো?
7C.
Question number 7C. Find that. Question number 7C.
Question 7.
Yes, সবাই doubt আছে এটা দেখতেছি. 7C part. Answer in simplest third form. I need to do this from first itself. You guys will help me with the first questions and all, okay? You guys will help me, okay? Fine, let's continue. Okay then. A circle C has the center A 2, 1 and passes through the point 10, 7. Okay. Find an equation for C. Okay. So all of you, please give me a equation for C. Circle C has centered this thing and passes through. Give me the equation, please. A part. Yalla. So equation the okay.
X minus 2 whole square.
Can you say it properly? X minus
X minus 2
whole square
plus y minus 1.
plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to
10 square.
10 square. Find that. That is your A part answer. Now let's go with the B part concept. 4 marks again. Equation of L1. The L1 is a tangent C at point B. Fine. Let's try that also. So, you know what is point B? You guys know what is point B? Yeah, you guys know point B. Fine. What is the equation? What is the equation you guys are getting? What is the equation you guys are getting?
3y equals minus 4x plus 61.
I have to properly follow 3.
3y equals minus 4x plus
Minus
61.
4x plus
Minus 4x plus 61.
Yes, I did that. Thank you. Now B part hoye geche. Now let's go to the C part. C part doubt ase tomader na. Now, fine. Let's now for this again. I'm saying you guys need to draw diagrams. Okay. Okay. So line L2 is parallel to L1. Line L2 is parallel to L1 and passes through midpoint of AB. Now, what is AB by? Circle center has A and passes through midpoint of AB. Okay, fine. Let's draw a circle over here. Let's draw. I'm a circular draw for it. Fine. So what's your, this is your point A, and what is your point B? Is point B within the circle itself? Yes, 10, 7. Let's say this is 10, 7. This is my point B. Point B দিয়ে একটা কি যাচ্ছে তোমার tangent যাচ্ছে, which is what? L1. Okay, so this is L1. Fine. This is your L1. Fine. Okay. Let's do this now. Draw the diagram. Etar midpoint er moddhe tomar L2 jacche. See, L2 is parallel to L1, passes through midpoint of AB. Okay, so let's find another L2 over here. Check kori. This is the midpoint, for example, and it is parallel, for example. Okay, shobai bujhtecho ekhane ki hocche? It's a midpoint, na? Midpoint of AB, and this is L2. So that means L2 will have same gradient as L1, right?
Yes.
Fine then. Okay. What is your A? Your A is 2, 1. Your A is 2, 1. And your B is, your A is 2, 1. And your B is 10, 7. Your B is 10, 7. Fine. Now let's find the midpoint of AB. Let's find the midpoint of AB. Okay. So it's going to be 7 plus, 10 plus 2. It's going to be 10 plus 2 divided by 2. Okay, comma 7 plus 1 divided by 2. So that's going to be 6, 4. That's going to be 6, 4. Butsa. So that's your midpoint. Now it is passing through midpoint. Yeah, it's passing through midpoint 6, 4. Find the length of PQ now. intersects C at point P and Q. So there it is intersecting here and here. Fine. But I need to find the equation of L2 now. L2 coordinate ami jani. What is it? 6, 4. What is the gradient of L2? I think the gradient of L2 was minus 4 by 3, right? Gradient of L2 is minus 4. Okay.
Yes.
Chalo, can I do y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1? So y minus y1 koto 4, m koto 3 by 4, m koto minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 3, my bad, minus 4 by 3. ठीक है sir, minus 4 by 3, and x minus x1 is going to be 6. Okay, so if you go, you will get 3y minus 12 is equal to minus 4x plus 24. Okay, so 3y minus 4x plus 12. ঠিক আছে? This is your equation. এখন এটা সার্কেলের সাথে ইন্টারসেক্ট করতেছে। If it is intersecting with the circle, তোমাকে এই ইকুয়েশন দিয়ে সাইমালটেনিয়াস ইকুয়েশন করতে হবে। এটা দিয়ে তোমাকে এটা দিয়ে কি সাইমালটেনিয়াস, সরি,
It is not 12, it will be 36.
can you say again what I'm saying? I did not hear you. এটা দিয়ে তোমার এটা কি সাইমালটেনিয়াস ইকুয়েশন করতে হবে। চেক করো, এটা আর এটাকে তোমাকে
It is
সাইমালটেনিয়াস,
not 12, it is 36.
it is 36. Okay, then that is 36 then, ঠিক আছে? 36 and it is minus 4. বাকি সবগুলো কারেক্ট আছে তো না? Plus 36. Fine. So let me just see till here it is correct or not. It is question number 7, right? Six, 7. Blah blah blah. They did it in some different manner or something. Let me just check that out. It's question number C. I don't know what they did here. Gradient of the radius. Okay. Is there any other method I can use? Let me check. Or is it getting really complicated for me? They want this whole length from me, na? Okay, let me just have a check. Let me just pause the recording. Okay. Actually, I have a better method. I made a mistake here. Midpoint of the radius. I know this point. I don't know this point. Okay. So we know this is half of the radius, and this is not a radius. No, this is not a radius for sure. Okay, let me think again. I thought. Okay, so one of the mistake I made was to find, I thought I would find the equation of the circle, sorry, equation of the line L2, and I will do simultaneous equation with my this thing, and I will get 2 answers. Okay, point of intersection. That was my plan. But the problem with this plan is that, see, if I do this, it's getting so complicated. Can you see that? Minus 4x by 3 plus 36 by 3. Now I have to just substitute that here. It's getting a lot complicated. So I thought maybe there is some other easy way to do it, right? So this is how you would do it. Just check. Can you see our radius is 10 and this is the midpoint, right? If this is the midpoint, this becomes 5. If this is 5, this is your radius. That is your 10, right? From the center it is coming, na? Okay. Tarpon. Tumi Pythagoras theorem kore. You guys can do Pythagoras theorem and find this, na? And this, if you multiply it by 2, you will get full P and Q. Is that understood, everyone? Guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Everybody got it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, fine then. Now let's continue. Okay, so everybody got the answer, na? Everyone, like Shireen and those who had doubted. Yeah, I want to hear yes from Shireen and other people.
Yes.
Yes.
Fine. Thank you. Thank you. Now, next doubt, Kichila.
Question number 10, C and D.
Question number 10, C and D. Question number 10, C and D. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. This is the 10. C and D. Now, for that, you guys have to again help me with A and B. Okay. So let me see whether you guys can do in like A, B. Amake answer diye da. Ar karo jodi puro question doubt ase. If anybody is having full question doubt, please let me know as well. Okay. Append page, paste. Now give me the equation for A and give me the equation for B.
A is 3 comma minus 1.
A is 3 comma minus 1. B is what? What is B?
15. Wait, no,
Yes.
no, sorry.
Huh?
X minus 3 square, whole square.
Let me lock it. Let me lock it. Yeah, say again. I mean, wait. Bolo.
X,
No. A
first
part.
one
A
is
part. Say A part
3,
again.
3 comma minus 1.
Okay. Next.
X minus 3 the whole square plus y plus 1 square is equals to 15 square.
Okay, fine then. Now, Shirin was saying she has doubt in C part. Point R is also lies on the circle C. Given that the length of the PR is 20 units. What is P, by the way? They gave it the coordinate. Passes through the point P. Fine. And Q. PR is 20 units. Okay, let's draw a diagram. Fine. Now, let's talk about P. Let's talk about P. P is some point over here. What is the point of P? Point of P is minus 9,8. Is it minus? Yeah, minus 9. Fine. This is your P. Now, then they said R also lies on the circle. PR is 20 units. Fine. Let this be. What was my radius we got, by the way? 15. Na? How come R is
Yeah.
lying, how come R is lying on the, given the length of chord PR is 20 units? How is it possible that your chord is bigger than your radius? Is your radius correct, by the way? Is it really 15 square? Can somebody confirm?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I don't know how it's 20. Okay, whatever. So this is your R, chord R. How much is it? 20 units. Fine then. Let's just draw a length over here. Find the length of the shortest distance A2 chord R. What's your A?
Midpoint, center of circle.
Shortest distance. Yeah, okay. Shortest distance. Na? So this is your A. This is 15. This is 15. 15, 15, and this is 20. Right. Now they want is the shortest distance over here. This one. Yeah. So you know it is at the midpoint. It's a midpoint. This is 10. And this is 15. It's a right angle triangle. All you have to do is find the Pythagoras theorem. That's it. Understood?
Yes.
Everyone understood? Do it and I'll compare the answer and pausing the recording. So yeah, guys, as I said, Pythagoras theorem, find this. Yeah, 5 root 5 is the answer. Okay. Anybody has any other doubts?
D part.
D part. Oh, there is a D part also there. Sorry. Find the size of the angle ARQ, giving your answer to the nearest 0.1 degree. Okay, ARQ. Find that ARQ. Now, you know, this is your A, this is P, and this is your R. And what is it? What's a Q, by the way? What's a Q? P and Q is a coordinate 15, minus 10. Q could be anywhere, right? Point P and point Q. Q could be anywhere. Passes through point. Okay. Circle C with the center A passes through point P. Okay. Point Q. Is point Q other side of your P?
Yeah.
Okay. So they said what P R. Okay. Next question. What they said? They said ARQ. My bad. ARQ. ARQ. You mean this is your Q? Wait, I'm having some issue with this one. You have A, R, and Q, right? Like this. Okay. This is 15. And this is also 15. I need you to find this. Okay. Now, acha guys, this is your A, R, Q. Acha, whatever. Guys, okay, do one thing. Tell me one thing. With the help of sine, tan, cos, can you guys find this angle for me and multiply it by 2? Okay, and whatever answer you get, you minus it with 180 to get this. All of you got that? I'm saying again, use trigonometry to find this angle. Sorry, use trigonometry to find this angle. Use the trigonometry to find this angle for me. How? Opposite upon hypotenuse karo. Okay, ওটাকে multiply by 2 karo. তারপর 180 minus the answer karo. Get the answer? Try it on your own. I'm pausing the video. Guys, I have a better way of doing this, somebody. So you see, we don't need this, by the way. Look, sorry, I need this. Okay, can I find you guys know that this is 90 degree. Tumra jano to na? It is 90 degree because this is a diameter. PQ is a diameter, na? This is 90 degree. If I know with my Pythagoras theorem, which is 5√5 over here, if I know this angle and minus it by 90, I will get ARQ. Is that clear with everyone? This is easier, na? Everyone?
Can you say again?
Okay, I'm saying again, you know that this is 90 degree, right? This part is 90 degree, right? Because it's a diameter.
Yes.
Okay, so if this is 90 degree and if I find the angle over here, you see we know this 5√5. If I can find this angle and if I minus it by 90, I will get my answer. Yes or no?
Yes.
So find this opposite upon hypotenuse or adjacent upon hypotenuse or opposite upon adjacent. Do whatever you want. Minus it by 90, you will get ARQ. Clear? Do it. Pause the recording.
Yes.
Some of you guys said me you guys got 41.8 to be the answer, and that is the actual answer of 41.8. Okay, we are done with this as well. Now next concept. Ki aase bolo? Next doubt ki ase? Ar kono doubt ase? Ar kono doubt ase karo? Okay, chalo then. So question number 11 কেউ try করছো এখানে? Hello, কেউ try করছো? No বললে no. Yes or no? No. Chalo, question number actually, you know what? Let me give question of my choices. This we did that day. If I'm not wrong. But we did not do it full, if I remember correctly, right? We left it in between, right? This question, guys.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo, why don't you guys do this question again then? Or you know what? No, just let's do something else. Did we do this?
No, we finished it.
Okay. Did we do question
Oh,
number
this
13?
Nope.
No.
Okay then. Question number 11 to 13 ta karo. Draw the diagram first. Or tumra show diagram to draw karo. I'm pausing the recording. So 10,8 is your coordinates of the center. Okay. And radius 5 ki proof hoise.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine then. Okay. Now try doing C part on your own then. 10 and 8 and radius is 5. Okay. Again, I'm telling you, if it is necessary, please draw a diagram also. Okay. Try. Pause the recording. Now, so you guys could do A, B, C, D, C on your own, but D part, it's about radian. It's about circle and radians. It used to, before this chapter was in P2, nowadays it is in P1. But I still did not do that chapter with you. So maybe C part, D part I'm skipping. Okay. So I'm skipping D part now. Now let's try this one. Come on. Question number 14. Huh? Try question number 14. So this is the diagram. Please all of you draw the diagram first. Okay, so this question also has a bit of radian concept in it. The problem is I did not do radian with some of you guys over here. Now there is an issue with this thing. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me do this sum then. I hope this doesn't have, okay, this doesn't have anything else. I'm so sorry that তোমাদেরকে question গুলো করতে হচ্ছে। তোমরা প্রথমে ডায়াগ্রামটা ড্র করো আর এই পার্টটা করে ফেলো। 2 মার্কের। চেক করো তো। Pause the recording. So you got the answer to be √34 and they said exact value. Don't make it decimal. Fine, good enough. A part is fine. And you use the distance formula here, right? Fine. Now let's do B part and C part. Okay, I'm pausing the recording. Try. You know, guys, you guys are doing these questions very well now. All of you, most of you guys are not asking me much doubts. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking. I will stop P2 right now over here itself. P2 in the sense this coordinate geometry. I'll start something now. Okay, so let me first stop the recording. So this chapter is officially over. I'm stopping the recording right now.